This is Emma's story, but it's also the story of many quiet creators. Could you be next? She doesn't have a garden, just a tiny balcony in a small flat. But last spring, something shifted. She wanted to earn a little extra, quietly, from home. So, she planted flowers. Emma bought a packet of 50 marigold seeds for £4.25 from a garden centre. She spent £9 on a 50-litre bag of potting soil, £6.75 on organic liquid fertiliser, £14 for 30 small pots, £3.50 on plant tags, and £9 on eco-friendly craft delivery boxes. Total cost, £46.50. She filled her pots with soil, labelled each one carefully, and placed them in the sunniest corner of her balcony. In 10 days, the first shoots appeared. Over the next 3 weeks, she nurtured over 40 strong marigold seedlings. She posted photos on Instagram with captions like, "Balcony grown and full of joy." A few days later, a message popped up, "Hi, do you still have marigolds for sale?" Emma priced them at £3.50 each. She sold 18 marigolds in her first 2 weekends. At a local plant swap event, she sold the rest. Total earned from marigolds, £140. Then she looked at her indoor plants, pothos, spider plants, and snake plants. She started propagating them. Free cuttings, rooted in water, transferred to soil using recycled containers. Her cost? Almost nothing. She created a mini plant page on Instagram, shared her growing tips, and built trust. Over 2 months, she sold 55 houseplants each for an average of £8. That's £440 from houseplants alone. Total income, £580. Total spent, £46.50. Net profit, £533.50. But more importantly, she found peace. A connection to nature. A purpose on her windowsill. Seedling, if this inspired you to start your own quiet plant hustle, like this video and subscribe for more stories like Emma's. It all started with one seed. That's how Emma makes money, one plant at a time.